If you have a 2001 Honda Civic up to 2005, I will be teaching you how to change the third brake light. It's not that difficult. I don't have anybody helping me, but the way to test it, I have a battery that I use just to have pressure on the brake pedal. You simply come to here underneath the trunk area, and right here is your connection from where you're gonna disconnect. So you're gonna push your finger here on this side on this disconnect, pull it down as so. As you can see, the connection's on that side. And then on here, you're just gonna twist counterclockwise and then pull down, and voila. Here is the bulb. And here is the bulb number if you are curious. It is 7440, 12 volts, 21 watts. You're not supposed to touch the bulb, but I went to Napa and some older gentleman helped me, right? I paid about $470 or $450, something like that for this light bulb. And he was touching it with his hands, right? So we'll see how long this light bulb works. I installed it and I cleaned it, the exterior, with a towel. We'll see how long it'll last. As here you can see, here is the old light bulb. As you can tell, the difference between the two. The head is blacker and it's burnt. You can just tell. And you can see the little pigment right there. And installing is the same way. Once you have it installed, just twist it again, pop it in there in the correct form, like that, flat ways, and then twist it clockwise, and yeah, just reconnect. And yeah, it's that simple. It's not that tricky to do it, but that's how you change the third brake light on this Honda Civic. Now, there is another light that I am going to monitor. My dad was pulled over not too long ago because that light decided to go out, I guess. And I bought lights for them. But here's the thing though, I think it's that connection that's wrong. There's a connector back there that's messed up. And so I'm gonna be watching it. I moved it because I realized it would turn on and it would have like little to no current. It would be just on fadedly, just barely on. And I think it's the connector in the back because I took a look at it and it looks burnt. So if it goes out, I will be teaching you how to change the light bulbs and how to repair that burnt connector. And yeah, we'll see how long this light will last and how long that third brake light lasts, because again, he touched it with his finger.